going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Happy Sunday. Hope everyone's well. Hope you guys all had a great Saturday. We've got a short one for you. Judge Washington, Rachel McDuffie, and defendant with attitude. Yeah. I don't understand. Just watch one video of Judge Washington and you'll know how to act and how not to act in front of Judge Washington. All right, before I hit that play button, you already know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Case number 23 FB 1424. Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Terrell Daniels.
Mr. Terrell Daniels, please unmute. State your name, sir.
Terrell Daniels.
Thank you. We're here for a pretrial in this matter.
That is correct, Your Honor. We are asking for an adjournment to talk with the prosecutor about an offer, and we would like to address the tether when Your Honor is ready.
All right, you may address the tether.
Mr. Daniels is on a home confinement tether. He believes that is from a felony that was also authorized but has been dismissed, and now these two misdemeanors are pending from that same case.
Yes, it was reduced to this case. On
Yes.
the date that on March 19th, it was once they were dismissed, that was when the home confinement was put in place. All right, Ms. McDuffie.
Your Honor, that's correct. So the reason that there is a home confinement tether is not only because Mr. Daniels was originally, I believe, incarcerated or held in custody rather on this case, but I believe that just looking at the notes that there was also, I guess, issues with contact with the victim from jail. So the home confinement, at that time, his privileges were revoked from the jail, and the home confinement tether was granted so that he could be released on a PR bond. So I don't think that there's, I think we're in the same situation that we were in at the time that the tether was placed. Obviously, he's residing with somebody else, not with at the victim's address. So I'm not seeing what's changed, I guess, in terms of the request.
I mean, perfectly logical. The guy got a tether to get out of jail. This happened probably a week ago. So within a week, he's already, within less than a month, he's asking for his tether to be removed. I don't really see any judge removing the tether, especially when nothing has changed. McDuffie nailed it. So yeah, the defense attorney should have probably said that. She probably did tell him, and this was his idea to ask. He's not happy about it though.
Anything further from you, Ms. White?
Yes, Mr. Daniels does have obligations for child support and needs to get out to work. So he is asking that this court also take that into consideration.
Home confinement always allows people to go to work, so that he will be allowed to work.
Okay.
Otherwise, the home confinement request is denied.
So how am I supposed to be able to look for a job if I gotta stay in the house? Your Honor.
Sir, if you want, you can ask for them to allow you an opportunity to go out to look for jobs between certain hours, sir. And many jobs you can apply for online. So I'm sure that you can work that out with the tether agent, and I'll give permission for that.
So I gotta stay on home confinement? That's just crazy, bro.
I'm sorry, what did you say, sir?
Yeah, so I gotta stay on home confinement for some
No, this
misdemeanors?
is crazy part. That's the part I'm asking about.
I don't know, man. I don't even remember saying. I'm just confused of why.
You're not confused. I was very clear. You're not confused. And you did just say it.
I don't remember saying something I said 2 seconds ago. Not the best comeback. He should have just said sorry. I was just frustrated. Done.
Mr. Daniels, just give me a call and please don't say anything further.
Hey, can we just switch it? Hey, I remember we was in the breakout room, and you made a suggestion of what was that thing that you called?
No,
Uh,
Mr. Daniels, I said I would talk to the judge about the home confinement tether, the GPS home confinement tether. Is that correct?
yeah, but you also said something about
Mr. Daniels, let's not talk about anything further on the record.
If your client wants to have further outbursts and he has a problem with being on home confinement, the option is that he can go back into custody.
Stay quiet, man. Stay
The
quiet.
pretrial in this matter, do you want 2 weeks or 4 weeks?
4 weeks, please. Well,
Pretrial,
I'm sorry, Mr. Daniels does want to be considered for off tether, so maybe 2 weeks.
that's not going to change,
Okay.
especially with his attitude.
That's cool because the case gonna get dropped anyway, so it don't matter.
Mr. Daniels, I have asked that you not say anything further.
Did you guys catch
2 weeks, Your
McDuffie's?
Honor.
It sounds like he wants a trial, so why are we adjourned?
All right, this is the last pause. I'm gonna let it play out after this. But did you catch McDuffie's? She tried to laugh. She held it in. All right, I'm gonna let this play out. You guys have a great day. I will be going live tonight. I will probably be putting out another video this afternoon. Hopefully, we'll see. All right, have a great day, guys. Until next time, bye.
Your
We
Honor,
wanted to,
I'm sorry, go ahead, Ms. White.
we were adjourning to see if there would be an offer from the people, but sounds like Ms. McDuffie is going to make us aware now.
Well, no, I'm not speaking to that. I know that originally there were no misdemeanor offers on this case when there was a felony pending. And it looks like in the notes, some of those very similar comments that we just heard were made at the arraignment that confidence that this case was going to be dropped. And then everything that followed. So I can review the case for an offer. I'm not saying that there won't be one. But given that I also need to review the contact that's happened, I should advise that if I can proceed on this case without the victim, I most definitely will. So there's no guarantee that somebody not showing up to something will mean that this case goes away.
McDuffie with the mic drop.
Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to April 29th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Bond is continued.
Good job, Mr. Daniels. You really did a good job in this hearing. You helped yourself out a lot.
You're all set, Mr. Daniels. State of Michigan